What's up, y'all? Today we're going over a preseason award Sunbelt graphic. A lot of our players were on this graphic, so the goal was to obviously put all the players, their names on there and not make it look too cluttered, as well as further establish our brand on social media. So let's hop right in. First, I have the cutouts here, and I already edited a few of them, and I'm just turning on the layers in each camera raw edit. Again, the goal was just to make them look as clean and clear and crispy as possible, but without making it look, you know, like super fake and bad and like overcooked, I guess. And some of the pictures are better than others, and some of them are more well lit than others. I really liked that background picture of DeMarco and that picture of Caden and his hair going all over the place. Just like both of those are really good, like closer up detailed shots, which I've been loving lately. I've been using a lot of those. So here I kind of have them set up a little bit how I want them, and there was no reasoning for who was bigger or smaller than anyone else other than just who we had the closer up pictures of, and you know, how they fit in and like how to draw the eye from one thing to the next. And so down below, basically I'm just making my own shapes and giving them the like little drop shadow and edge, kind of like a almost beveled look. And that's like kind of been our brand lately, is drop shadow, almost like a 3D look. And so the edges there and that texture have also been a key to our brand. Have also been a key to our brand look lately, as well as these stars. So it almost looks like a movie poster, which I personally love. So here I'm just putting in the names. And then the hardest part with this graphic was just trying to figure out where each player could go and fit well without hiding too much of one player or the other. So as far as the front cutout guys, they all had feet, so I was able to leave them, you know, fully intact. The guys in the back who was kind of waist up, I either hid them behind that front lower piece or I gradually faded them out, and I think I put like a shadow, a little bit of shadow on them to give it some depth. And then there I just add on the lighting and shading. And here I think I tried to use a flare or an overlay effect, but I don't think I ended up keeping it because it just gave it a look that like wasn't that wasn't our usual look, and I didn't end up liking it, I don't think. Or maybe I just put it super low opacity. But then I gave them all, you know, the shadows under their feet to make it look a little more realistic. Then I tried to blend it all together with a color lookup, but I don't think I left that either. And yeah, that's basically it. Pretty simple stuff. So like this video and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. If you want to know how to do anything or have any questions or whatever, comment and I'll be happy to try and help as much as I can. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.